Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Today we are doing two things. Number one, we're going to do a little bit of a camera test. This isn't a new camera, but I am trying out a new full manual mode for it. So we're going to see how we do. This is going to be pretty awesome. We'll see if we can get things better than the camera on automatic. Second thing we're doing is we're going to make jalapeno hot sauce. Okay, what does that mean? Well, this is what my garden is throwing out right now. A lot of jalapenos, some other stuff too. We've got tomatoes, not part of a hot sauce. We've got these little peppers. Where are these guys? Here are the little peppers. These are either Tabasco or like Thai peppers, I can't remember. And these are super hot. If you ever try to bite one of these, you will immediately know why that is a bad idea. I tried that once. Wow, it was super hot. Lemon. Need some garlic, which I'm gonna have to peel. Some green onion, which is in the fridge. And that's the basis of your jalapeno hot sauce. Now, why don't we see this stuff normally? Well, that's very simple. So, a pepper that's this color is going to kind of want to turn brown when you cook it, and you need to cook hot sauce a little bit. So we're going to try to make sure that we keep as much of the green color as possible by cooking it very quickly. Oh, almost forgot. One more pepper going in there. This one, a purple pepper, supposedly from Whole Foods. So we'll see how this goes. First step, chop all this stuff up. Super fine, small pieces. Chopping is kind of fun if you've got time. Luckily I do, so I'm going to do that, and you'll see the result in a second. I just want to take a little pause to show you guys something here. So this is the inside of a jalapeno as we chop it. Let me zoom in on that tiny bit here. And then focus that up. So, see how this is starting to get a little bit red in the center? That is exactly what you want to see. That means that stuff is starting to get ripe and the flavor is going to be much better. Jalapenos are usually sold purely green like this, I think because they start getting more fragile as they start to ripen. Okay, so here's what we got once we're done chopping this stuff up. We've got garlic. We've got jalapenos, we've got the purple pepper, we've got the onion, a little bit of herbs there, and these super spicy peppers. These here in the front, these are already, even though they're so small, I've chopped them up and it's just like, wow, it smells super hot already, and I was coughing just a second ago. So this is going to be pretty great as a hot sauce. So what we're going to do next is we're going to quickly blanch these very quickly in boiling water, then throw them into a pot of boiling vinegar. When you make a hot sauce, normally you cook this for, a couple minutes and you let everything cook, but because this is the type of hot sauce where I don't want this to get all brown, I'm only going to cook this maybe for like 1 minute. And then it will be straight into the Vitamix. Okay, once this is done cooking, it's going to look kind of like this. And it hasn't turned brown yet, so we'll see. This is going to go into the blender, and then we'll see what's what. Once this sauce is done in the Vitamix, which we do off screen because it makes a ton of noise, it's so powerful. Whoa! Wow, it smells like hot pepper sauce. And it is still pretty green. It's not quite as green as I would like. There's one or two tricks that I could use maybe next time to try to make that a little bit more green. But I'm happy with this for now. Let's give this a try, and don't be surprised if I do a little bit of coughing trying this. Wow! Oh, it's amazing. It is super spicy, of course, but it won't be overwhelmingly so when we put it on something. It's got a nice vinegar taste because, of course, it is white vinegar in there. And this is super healthy. When you make this at home, you aren't buying a hot sauce with a lot of preservatives in it. You know what everything is. It's got tons of fiber. It's got vitamins from all those hot peppers. It's got anti-inflammatory chemicals. It's super awesome. I make this all the time. It's in a bowl so you can see, but of course we will put that in a kind of mason jar type thing here for storage. This should last in your fridge for this one 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks because it wasn't cooked super thoroughly. If you cook it for longer, it will last for longer. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, the thumbs up, that would really help me. Subscribe if you want, and then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.